Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some off the canvas items today to share with you all from Diamond Art Gift. They were kind enough to let me have a look at a few different things. So we'll start with the little itty bitty diddy one to start off with, and I will pop links to all of these down below. But this one is actually wax, but it's wax in the form of a little lipstick. So if you do want to use wax, say maybe for picking up AB diamonds, you could just use this as a straight pickup type tool, and then maybe use a craft knife to sort of filter it off, you know, if you need to sort of make it into a point again or not. It doesn't stick wonderfully, like it sticks in the bottom while you're using it, but it doesn't then like to stay if it knocks the sides. But you can just pop it out and use it to pick up AB diamonds straight and pop them onto your painting if you find, because AB diamonds, depending on what you use in your pen, they can leave like a very slight amount of coating, of the AB coating behind on your wax. Not enough to affect the diamonds when they're on your painting, but it can sort of make your wax not work as well for your next set of standard diamonds. So having something else to use for it can be very helpful. So there's a few different colours of this. I decided to pick up a little bit of sunshine yellow as an option for you all if you want something for your ABs, because it's a very reasonable price. So that was item number one. Then item number two, I go for things that make me smile and look a bit of fun, and these looked fun. And you'll see why, hopefully. You could use these as decorations or ornaments, but they're little donuts. So they are on like a thin piece of acrylic, so they're quite thin. They won't weigh down your tree too much. You do get some string so that you can cut yourself some little hooks for them, or you could potentially string them along one long piece of string if you wanted them maybe for a party. But we have a unicorn donut, a panda donut, they're so cute. What's that one? Oh, maybe it's a cat, maybe, yeah, cat donut. Another unicorn type donut, baby unicorn. Oh, looks like a little birdie donut, a pig donut. Some of these are easy to guess. What would that one be? Maybe a it looks like a kind of farmyard animal, maybe a horse, maybe a goat. Looks like that could be a fox, or a fox kind of goat, that one. Maybe a lion donut, and a little penguin donut. I just thought they were so cute as little donuts. You do get a toolkit with a pen with a single placer, some wax, a green bow and a couple of baggies. And then your diamonds, these are single-sided by the way, but they're just so funky. Aren't they adorable? Your diamonds. Oh, we do get some special diamonds. Oh, you're gonna like those diamonds. So we have some clear or silver, red, a few different shades of pink. So we've got a more normal pink, baby pink, hot pink, maybe the way I'd say it. Some orange, lime green, blue, yellow, brown, couple more different types of brown, but of course we are talking animals. We've got some plain black ones, yellow, and then more of a peachy tone. And then we get googly eyes. So number 16 is googly eyes. The unicorn Oh, there's a few that don't have googly eyes. The unicorn and the fox don't have googly eyes, but all the rest do. So you can pop some googly eyes on your donuts. So fun. Yeah, just, you know, reach out to that inner child in you and make yourself some donut decorations, because frankly, why not? What's wrong with making donut decorations? That's my question. Right, I'm going to pop those in there, but I am going to leave my little donuts out because I need to show the kids when I finish this video. So yes, that is item number 2. And then item number 3, I've seen these now in a few different places, but I think they're fun. So you do get a toolkit, same as before. Ooh, oh no, maybe these ones are a little bit different. What's this on off? Ooh, lights. Okay, so these are like little mini coasters. These are in the forms of flowers and birds. So you get 2 birds, 2 flowers, but then you also get these that give you lights. So can you see you've got a few little lights, and when I was pressing the on off, it does give you the options of different colours. And press and hold, I think, for off. I was trying to see if one of them was multicoloured then. No, it just runs. Oh no, there we go. I thought there was one that was multicoloured that changed just before I knew it. So you use this 3M to take that off and stick those onto the back of your coasters. And then you can press to turn it off. And you actually get 4 of those. So you do get 1 for each. And then you can always pop them in this holder to keep them together when you've finished them. But yeah, you just do the one side. These are a thicker acrylic than sort of, these are wafer thin. These are thicker and harder, and they don't bend the same way the others do. Diamonds wise, these are all your standard rhinestones. So we have clear or silver, reds, sort of pinky red, orange, yellow, lime green, dark green, blues, a couple of blues, some more orange, some plain black with no sparkle, purple, turquoise, a sort of greeny jadey colour, a nice green and a hot pink. Another fun little project. Christmas is the time to get all of these fun little projects, I feel. Give yourself some little crafts to do over the holiday season. You can just pull some out, especially if you've got kids coming. That's also an ideal time to do something like this. At least that's what I think. Helps to keep them entertained. That, and of course making Christmas biscuits or cookies or whatever you call them. So yeah, they are the items for today. We've got a little lipstick wax that comes in a few different colours, some coasters which are actually light up coasters, and these funky donut ornaments which I just think are adorable. But anyway, that is the selection for today. Thank you so much to Diamond Art Gift for sending me these to share with you all. I will pop the links to each of them down below so that you can maybe go and find the one that takes your fancy. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.